expand CFO.
Problem isn't your bookkeeper, it's the setup. You're doing everything you can and the numbers still don't add up. That's not your fault, and it may not be your bookkeeper's either. In fact, they might be doing everything right inside a system that's completely wrong. But the stress of managing growth with disconnected tools, lagging reports, it's real. And your bookkeeper may not have the experience to help you scale your financial infrastructure as you scale the business. Listen, if you've ever Googled or ChatGPT'd, why can't I trust my financial reports? These may be some of the answers. Maybe your business has outgrown your bookkeeper. When your business was smaller, cash-based accounting was just fine, made the most sense. But a common scenario we see as the business grows is there's a large divergence between cash basis and accrual basis accounting. For example, as volume increases, you may need your suppliers to do larger production runs for you. This expands the order lead time and can lengthen the time from when you paid your deposit on that inventory to when you receive and resell the product and get the money back. If this is accounted for on a cash basis, then that upfront deposit, it's booked to COGS expense way before you recognize the sales for that product. This makes for some wonky gross profit margin calculations. No wonder you feel like you can't trust your financial reports. But to be fair, you can't ask someone making 60 grand a year to do $1 million CFO thinking. It's just not fair to them, and it's not doing you any favors either. It's time for you to stop being penny wise and pound foolish when it comes to your accounting and finance function. Invest in the right team to give you the insight you need. Another reason why you can't trust your financial reports? Maybe your accounting is being done on QuickBooks when you need a full ERP like NetSuite. We commonly see businesses add more systems and complexity as they scale. Pretty soon, you have this hodgepodge of systems that don't talk to each other. Orders come in via Shopify. They're fulfilled and shipped using Shopify's shipping labels. But revenue's booked in QuickBooks based on when the payment settles, which could be before, maybe after you actually fulfill the order. And then COGS only gets entered at the end of the month based on an outdated spreadsheet that is someone's best guess of how much inventory you have on hand. Because of all these timing differences, you don't ever really know if that month's gross profit margin is correct. But you think the average of the past few months should be about right. No wonder you feel like you can't trust your financials. Most business owners have someone doing the books. What they don't have is a proper team and system that turns that data into insight. This means they're looking through their rearview mirror instead of focusing on the road ahead. What you really need is a finance team and system that scales with you from 5 million to 50 million. So what's the fix? It's not hiring another full-time person. It's not buying yet another tool. It's rethinking the entire finance setup from daily and month-end workflow to clear ownership and impactful reporting. So let's stop blaming the bookkeeper and fix the whole system instead. We've already helped dozens of founders build a finance team and reporting engine they can trust. If you're ready to get out of the weeds and into the driver's seat, then send us a note.